Listen here, this is a 2-mark problem, important problem. Calculate the standard deviation of the following data. This is ungrouped data, it is not grouped data, ungrouped data. Now 10, 20, 15, 8, 3, 4. First you need to arrange this data in ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending order? Lowest value to highest value. So lowest value 3, next 4, next 10, 3, 4, 8, next 10, 15, 20. Then if you want to find the standard deviation, sigma, this is a formula. Students, I mentioned this formula while explaining the table. Square root of sigma d square by n. So what is this d means? Deviation about the mean value. That is a x bar. Arithmetic mean you should find out. Then deviation you should find out. Then square of deviation you should find out. Then square root of that one gives the standard deviation. Now x bar is equal to sigma x by n. This is the formula for mean, arithmetic mean. What is sigma x? Summation of all these values. That is 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 whole divided by n means number of values of number of observations 6. So it becomes what? 7, 15, 25, 40, 60. 60 by 6, nothing but 10. So that value you have to make use of this table. Now x values, d is x minus x bar. So what is x bar? 10. So x bar I will take it as 10. So x minus 10. So d square means square of this column. Now what about x values here? 3, 4, 8, 10, 15 and 20. So now d value x minus 10. So 3 minus 10 minus 7. 4 minus 10 minus 6. 8 minus 10 minus 2. 10 minus 10 0. 15 minus 10 5. 20 minus 10 10. Next d square. D square means square of these values. 49, 36, 4, 0, 25. This is a 100. So sigma d square I need to substitute in the formula. What is sigma d square? Summation of these values. That means you have to add all the values here. So now what is the summation of these values? Up to this 125, again 4, 129, next 49, next 36. So this is a 18, 18 plus 6, 24, then 2 plus 4, 6, 9, 11. So 214, 214. So 214 is sigma d square column. So once you find the sigma d square, students, this is a formula you should substitute. Now square root of what is sigma d square value we got? 214 by what is n value? 6. So now if you divide this one, what you are going to get? 35 point, we'll divide this one, 214 with 6. 3 times it goes, that is 18, 34. Now 5 times it goes, 30, next 4 point. So 6 times it goes, 40. So this is 36, again 4. So it is recurring, 35.666, something like that. So it becomes what? Square root of 35.67. Because since it is a recurring, you can add 1 for the next digit. So that it becomes 35.67. So you need to find the square root of 35.67. Student, I told the long division method. So what is the long division method? 35.67. You should divide like the square root. Now 5 5s are 25. So 5 only it will goes. 6 6 you should not tell because 36 means 6 6. This is only 35. 5 5s are 25. So what is the reminder? Before that this is dot here because 2 digits I told you should put the dot. So this is a 10. So 6 7. So 1067. You double this value, it becomes what? 10. So now you have to see 109 9 times 81. This is 8. 981. So that means what? 9 you should put here. Your point again 9. It becomes 981. So you subtract this one. 7 minus 1 6. 16 minus 8 8. This is 9 only. So 8 6. 7 minus 1 6. Here it is a 16. If you borrow 1, 16 minus 8 8. So 86. Okay. So now you need to double this value now. 59 108. So again you put 2 zeros, because after that any zeros you can put, because already point is there. So you need to see 1086 6 times or 7 times. Now let me see 7 times. 49, 56, 60, 6, then 7. So it is less than 806 only. Okay, 7 7s are 49. So this is 56 students. Now listen, 10877. This is 49. Now this is 56 plus 4, 60. This is 6. This is 7. So it is less than only. So it becomes what? 5.97 value of the square root. 5.97. So that is your book answer. Okay, 5.97. So students, second problem, this one also same model. You find a x bar, so that sigma x by n, then you frame the column. Once you frame the column, apply this formula. Okay, sigma d square by n. What is sigma d square? Square of the deviations from the given value. Okay, then you summation of that column we find out. That summation you substitute here 214 by 6 number of values. If you divide this one 35 point, I already showed you students, 35.66666. So you round it off 35.67. Then you take the square root by using long division method. Now this division is familiar to you now. Okay, so this is very easy. By using this one, we are going to get this as 5.97. Okay, now we will see the next problem.